I will present my lord. Bail payable note 8371/25. The Lordship directed stay to take instruction of case died, my lord. And I am still custody 11 July 2025.
No, it's not a regular bench. You just file a memo before the.
I had mentioned today.
No. Just temporary arrangement. List
Pardon to make a mention. The matter was specifically listed to today, as per my lord's order. It is day before yesterday it was listed, and today it was supposed to be.
We go to some other bench. We do not know.
The lordship, the date is mentioned in the order.
Mention is that अन्य को कोर्ट को जो मो पाकर आसी बोली ये नहीं है इसको डकल
Modification.
Kindly just my glance at the order.
That's
Mention.
modification order.
Specifically, date is mentioned, your lordship.
Specifically, date is mentioned, but not to be listed before me. It's not regular benches. Yes, next.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
Item
1 your lordship. Please
47 kg.
47 not exclusive possession there
After puja.
two accused person, one is
Next,
on bail, right?
Yes, dairy on criminal antecedent.
Two accused person is on bail.
Next.
Item 2.
What's your item?
Commercial quantity.
Co-accused bail is
Puja holidays. Item number 2.
Earlier. Item 2 earlier.
CTC.
Other co-accused disposal of this
Yeah, after.
Okay.
Next.
Item 3.
Item 3 may not have therefore answer that.
Next.
Item 4.
The lady is one of the 40-50 people who are opposing anti-mining in our village.
Maoवादी case,
Anti-mining activists. Last time,
Char number aguta. 4 item number 4 aguta.
4.
Last time order करते थे affidavit comprehensive affidavit. Affidavit is prepared and filing affidavit.
Filed.
Item 5.
I'll take non-repo after puja holidays.
Both the petitions. Copies out.
Yes.
Item number 5, 376-2 and along with 65 and 66 and 67 of IT Act, my lords.
STRT is there.
SC/ST, my lords. Both the parties are SC/ST, my lords.
Issue notice for them. Yes. CD and criminal antecedent. Next.
Item 6.
In item 6, I have filed the IO for interim bail manner.
CD actually.
अच्छा फाइल का CD काटी जाए नोटिस लगता हाँ item number 6 item 600 I have filed a IO for interim bail my lord. IO is my lord in flag AL my lord. It is 9/29 of 2025. CDSC other 6
Yes. Actually, criminal answer.
Land Council for the state submits that there are 8 number of criminal antecedents. Comprehensive affidavit filed for this. Another IA has been filed for the interim bail on the ground of element of the mother of the petitioner. Medical documents are annexed. State Council has received the copy of the interim application to take instruction on this and put up this matter. Yes, next.
7.
Suryakanta Das Mahapatra, I matter kindly adjourn next after
76 ABOC issue notice of. Yes, next.
Item 8.
Item 8 millets I am appearing virtually millets. Corresponding IPC offense millet 307, 326 and along with the other offenses millets. And in the rejection order it shows that the parties have compromised the millet. Rejection order is reflected page 13 millets. The informant filed an affidavit page 13 some 6th line millets, line starting with execution. And Lord, the palm of the
Health condition.
Medical report is required.
CD and criminal antecedent health condition of the injured. Yes, next.
Item 9.
The offense under section 372 and 506 mailer. The accused in the custody mailer 26/1/2025 mailer.
Case diary achi. Yes.
The accused in 26/1/2025 mailer. And the accused and the victim is the relation mailer Bhaira Sola.
What is the statement of that? What is the status of pregnancy?
Delivered a female child male.
So what is your instruction?
9.
9?
9 makes exact.
What is your instruction?
Malada, in meantime, victim has been examined and female child male.
No, victim examined means where?
Court minor, deposition. Court minor, deposition minor. And also she has a married man, married lady, not divorced. Married to some others. In 2021. Yes, stated.
But the thing was happened prior to that.
No. After marriage. मैरिज ହେଇଛି 21 ମସିହାରେ ଅକରାନ୍ସ ପପୁଲେସନ 24 ମସିହା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Or the land council for the petition, land council for the state. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/1/2025. He has been charged under section 376(2)(n) and 506 of the Indian Penal Code. And the victim is a major child, and she appears to be a consenting party. And it appears that the petitioner in that it further appears from the materials available on record that the victim has been examined in the trial court as PW4. The certified copy of the deposition is filed by the land council for the petitioner, which is taken on record. And considering his further submission that at this stage there is no chance of tampering with the evidence, and after hearing the land council for the state produce the case records, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 10.
This is the second round bail application. Half bail application was disposed of with given the liberty to renew a pair after exam after
order copy?
In the mention of charge sheet has been filed and one of the fourth is also on bail.
What a criminal antecedent of.
The land council for the state submits that there are 6 criminal antecedent comprehensive affidavit. Yes.
Item 11.
11, my lord. In this case, of corresponding offense, my lord, 394 and 364A, my lord. And so nothing seized from the possession of the petitioner, my lord. Oh, custody since 14/8/2025, my lord. My lord, this is the seizure list. Nothing seized from my custody. Only 2 antecedent. गोटे हूँ ब्राउन सुगर मोहितर बेल अच्छे गोटे मिसलेनियस अफेन्स आ मोटू किसी हजूर सीज ହେଇନି आज्ञा आउ दिस इज द सर्टिफाइड कॉपी लिस्ट ना मोटू किसी तो सीज ହେଇନି मोटू काली मात्र 2800 टंका आ गोटे मोबाइल टा एटा 2800 टंका रिजेक्शन रे कौन रिफ्लेक्ट अछि 2800 टंका आउ भूल 149 ମୁଁ लिख देछि 140 and 3096
Yes, कौन कହୁଛନ୍ତି?
Two criminal antecedent present.
कौन allegation कौन?
मोटरसाइकेल में जाउतले इनफॉर्मर जाउतला ताको रिस्ट्रेन करिकि ताको मोटरसाइकेल तळेक नै जाइछन्ती पैसा 18000 एटीएम सब नै जाइछन्ती that amount was seized 18000 नै जाइछन्ती 10000 सीज जाइछि फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट पिटिशनर आ से केटीएम मोटरसाइकेल टा इनफॉर्मेटर मतो प्रेजेंट मो केस रे सीज जाइछि
मोथर मात्र 2800 टंका मोबाइल तो मो पाखु सीज जाइछि
मिसी मासी घंटे नहीं
ना मोबाइल से पैसा
के बेट ରହିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆମେ ମୁଁ 14/8/2025 ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ରହିଛି
मु 16
Real appeal 9609 of 25. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in the initial custody since 14 of 2025. And the offenses, the allegation against the petitioner is that he committed robbery and cash of rupees 2,800 and a mobile handset was seized from the possession of the petitioner. Mobile handset ta kon apanakar na chori thua
information.
and
ATM bike, mobile, ATM check, what are the
and in view of the nature of accusation, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail, mainly on the ground that the petitioner has got 2 criminal antecedents. Stop. The land counsel for the petitioner submitted, they produced a seizure list in support of his contention. Mobile phone or gas. The same statement that ये बीटा क्रिमिनल केस थिला कोन हला
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବେଲ୍ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ମିସିଲେନିୟସ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏନଡିପିଏସ୍ ମାତ୍ର 1 ଗ୍ରାମ ହଉଛି
submits that in those 2 cases the petitioner is on bail. considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, nature of application as on the indication of progress of investigation or period of detention in judicial custody. And inclines to release the petition of on bail, subject to condition, shall not indulge in any criminal activities and shall cooperate with investigation. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed. What about the connected matter?
ମୁଁ to seize ହେଇଛି 10,000 ସେ cash book ଆଉ motorcycle ଟା of the income.
Say, seizure ରେ ଖାଲି ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖିବେ ହେଲା 10,000 ଆଉ motorcycle and ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ କହିଲେ?
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ cash ଆଉ check ବହି ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ସେ income.
Some other articles you are seized. What about the criminal antecedent? Two criminal antecedent. What is the status of those two cases?
They are on bail matter.
On bail, huh? About this matter.
Item 12.
Page 23 mechanical.
Mr. Bhavan Das coming is for number 1.
Page 23 mechanical class. Earlier the coordinate bench of this notebook has
Withdraw करने को. ये
80 ग्राम heroin.
नहीं बड़े सर 2 ଜଣଠୁ ବସିଲା 2 ଜଣ ବସିଲା
2 ଜଣ 80 ଗ୍ରାମ ଭାଗ କଲେ ନା?
ନାଇଁ 2 ଜଣଠୁ 80 ଗ୍ରାମ ସେଇଛି ମାଇଲାଡୁ ଆମେ କୋ has been released on bail. Another accused 42 grams has been seized. No one is there.
No, he is telling that his bail application was filed and you have withdrawn. Whether it has to go to that bench or not, that is to be seen.
Charge frame हवा पर आसिया को रिन्यू करे charge frame है जाइए मैडम
The
एक नंबर चुप
earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 7099 of 2025 was disposed of on 28/7/2025 by coordinate bench. This matter is also before appropriate bench with the approval of the Honorable Chief Justice. Yes.
मतलब कोई कुछ bail है
That you placed before.
रिन्यू पे
Yes, next.
Item 13.
My prisoners. Earlier, one bail application that disposed of the direction granting liberty to renew the bail after examination of the victim. In the meantime, victim was examined. My lord. Page 23, the
Coordinate bench disposed of BLAPL number 3524 of 2020. Appropriate bench for doing this. Next.
Item 14.
Target who is the order of the coordinate.
Coordinate bench.
Item 15.
Number would have left because
May I appeal your lordship? Your lordship, the main case BLAPLA number 5185 has been posted to 27/10/25 in court number 3. So I request your lordship to kindly
for an adjournment after Puja holidays.
Item 16.
16, I pray for an adjournment, my lord.
This adjourn after Puja holidays.
Item 17.
My lord, it is my second bail application, my lord. First bail application was withdrawn to move after charge sheet. 13 criminal activity.
Appropriate bench for them. Earlier rejected by so and so. Number the Next.
Item 18.
I prefer tomorrow because last office tribal by magistrate.
No, earlier bail application rejected.
No, my lord, withdrawn to move after filing of the charge sheet. And in the meantime, charge sheet filed and I have moved the bail application.
What is the number 5978?
My lord.
Religion, same. For them, after to bench. Next.
Item 18.
Bail application. Nine.
325 case.
After Puja Holiday. Yes, next.
CDC attorney.
CD and 3D Achi.
No.
CD and criminal anti-sting. Next.
Item 19.
My second bail application also.
Temporary action. After Puja Holiday, for applicant. Yes, next.
Item 19.
19. This is my second bail application also.
50 kg 22 ग्राम brown sugar.
अच्छा ये appropriate bench करूँ.
Did they understand that?
No, I will reject each on the bench.
Item 20.
What a kind list करोगे? हाँ?
Item 20.
Instead of CD is required.
No, CD. For Puja Holidays. Next.
Item 21.
This is also second bail application earlier rejected.
Rejected.
Well.
Appropriate bench for the earlier rejected. So number of sheets order the issue.
Item 22.
Has to go before application.
Abu reject each.
Huh. This is the fifth application. I have given all the details.
Appropriate bench. After Puja. No, after 50 yes.
Item 23.
Reject each Abu.
One poetic or preferable by this one.
No, I gave person reject each.
Well,
Reject is appropriate bench. Yes, next.
Item 24.
I would reject it. 24.
24. 24 reject each. Appropriate.
24 minus. 24 in this case, coacting also activated by this one.
What is ଯାଇଥିଲେ ବି ଏଇ ପିଟିସନର ଯେହେତୁ କୋର୍ଡିନେଟ ବେଞ୍ଚ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠିକି ଯିବ ଏହା ତ ଅର୍ଡର ହଉଛି ଆଉ କଣ yes next
Item 25.
May I please your lordship, my lord, offence under 137, 64 to 35, POCSO Act 17, POCSO Act, my lord, custody sheet 125, charge sheet ଆଉ 164 already my lord, file.
Item 26.
And so,
is not in zero yes next
Item 26.
earlier my lord bail suspension was withdrawn one.
ସେଇଠି ସେ ଅଛି ଏକା appropriate bench next
Item 27.
27 my lord. Corresponding offence 302 and 34 IPC. Petitioner is not the main accused. At page 12.
27 case diary ଅଛି
and Mr. Nayak is just
କିଏ
At page
Partha Sarathi Nayak.
ନମ୍ବର ଗଲେ
I will call him there.
କେସ୍ diary ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ କଣ
main accused is Vibhuti.
just a minute let him come
Again.
eyewitnesses have stated that you assaulted by means of an axe
Vibhuti has assaulted at page 12 towards last bottom. ତାପରେ ବିଭୂତି ଘରକୁ ଆସି ତାର ଭାଇ ଶରତ ପ୍ରଧାନକୁ ଡାକି ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ନାୟକ କଥା ନ ମାନି ତାଙ୍କ ଜମି ଆଡକୁ ମାଟି ଟେକୁଛି ବୋଲି କହି ଡାକି ନେଲା ଶରତ କୁରାଡି କାଠ କାଟୁଥିଲା ସେଇ କୁରାଡିକୁ ଧରି ବିଭୂତି ସେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ନାୟକ କାମ କରୁଥିବା ଜମି ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ତା ସଙ୍ଗରେ ତାର ଭାଇ ଶରତ ପ୍ରଧାନ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗଲା ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ନାୟକ ତାର ଜମି ହିଡରେ ଥିବା ବେଳେ ବିଭୂତି ତାକୁ ଗୋଡାଇ ଗୋଡାଇ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆରେ 4-5 ଥର ହାଣିଦେଲା ତାପରେ ସେ ତା ଭାଇ ଶରତ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସଙ୍ଗରେ ଘରକୁ ଗଲା, ଘରକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲା। ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆଟିକୁ ସେ ତାର ରୋଷେଇ ଘରେ ଲୁଚାଇ ରଖିଥିଲା। ତାପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଜେସିପି ଯେ ସେଠି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା, ଜେସିପି ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ଆଟ୍ ପେଜ 15, ସେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଆସିଲେ। କଳା ହୋଇ ଲୋକଟି ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରିଥାଏ, ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଲୋକଟି କିଛି ଧରି ନଥିଲା। ସେମାନେ ଗାଁ ଆଡୁ ଆସି କ୍ଷେତ ମଝିରେ ବୁଢା ପାଖକୁ ଗଲେ। ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ନାୟକ ହିଡ଼ ଉପରେ ବସିଥିଲା। ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଗରୁ ଥିବା ହିଡ଼ ଉପରେ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆରେ ହାଣିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଥରେ ଦେଖିଛି, ବୁଢା ହିଡ଼ ଉପରୁ ତଳକୁ କ୍ଷେତ ଆଡକୁ ଡିଆଁ ମାରି ଦୌଡ଼ିବା ବେଳକୁ ସେ ଲୋକଟି ତା ପଛେ ପଛେ କ୍ଷେତ ମଝିକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସି 4-5 ଥର ହାଣିଛି। ତା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ବଟମ ର
Since when you are in
ଢାଲା
custody?
କଳା ଲୋକଟି ହଉଛି
Since when you are in custody?
ଫ୍ରମ୍ 24/5/2025, 4 ମାସ। ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ has been submitted on 21/8/2025. And
What are the offences under which charge sheets are there?
again,
Who offence the charge sheet is in?
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି 302/34
302. ଏଟା 2025 ମସିହାର କେସଟା ମେ ମାସର
ହଁ, ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ସବମିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି 21/8/2025 ରେ।
I'm asking you, what are the offences under which charge sheet?
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍
3135 PMS.
ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ।
Yes.
Held up in other.
Hundred 3135238 100 3135238 238 B. 238 B.
Got that record?
Yes.
You see the eyewitness statement is Nrsimha Mahakur. Nrsimha Mahakur stated that the petitioner was having an axe and he was cutting some wood, and the main accused is one Vibhuti.
Well, eyewitness account is there. 183 statement recorded.
Vibhuti assaulted the deceased.
But Tikuna, who is the eyewitness to the occurrence, I am placing his 183 statement. ତାପର ଦିନ
କିଏ କାହା statement?
ଟୁନା କିଷାନ,
Tunna, T-U-N-A.
TUN,
Kisan.
my lord. He stated that he is the only eyewitness to the occurrence.
ନା ନା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏଇଟା ପରା ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ସେ annex କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ନୃସିଂହ is an eyewitness, page 12.
Nrsimha Mahakur, his statement recorded under section 27 of evidence, he is a witness to 27.
Not
180
କରାଯାଇଥିଲା ଏଇ ସଂକ୍ରାନ୍ତରେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ନାୟକ ସ୍ୱାମୀଙ୍କୁ ଅଭିଯୋଗ କରିଲେ। ତାପରେ ପୋଲିସ ଆସି ଘଟଣାକୁ ସବୁ କାଚାଇ
I am placing, ମୁଁ କାମ କଲା ବେଳେ ତା ପରଦିନ 8 ବାଜେ ଆଡେ କାମ କରିବା ଲାଗି ଗଲି। ମୁଁ କାମ କଲା ବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ଡିସିଜନ୍ ର ତଳ ବିଲ ରେ କାମ କଲା ବେଳେ ମତେ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ମନା କଲା, ଆଉ କହିଲା ସେଆଡେ ମାଟି ଦବ ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ବି ଆଉ ଦେଲି ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ଉତ୍ତର ଆଡୁ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଆଡେ ପଳାଇଥିଲି। ସେତେବେଳେ 9 କି 10ଟା ହୋଇଥିବ। ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ନାୟକ ଡିସିସ୍ ଗଛ ମୂଳେ ବସିଥିଲା। ଆର୍ ସେ ସମୟରେ ବିଭୂତି ଆଉ ଶରତ ବିଲ ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଇ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଥିଲେ, ତାକୁ ହାଣିଦେଲେ।
ତାର statement at page 15, page 14, 180 then. ତାର statement ସେଇ ଟୁନା କିସାନ at page 15. ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଆସିଲେ, କଳା ହୋଇ ଲୋକଟି ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆ ଧରିଥାଏ, ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଲୋକଟି କିଛି ଧରି ନଥିଲା। ସେମାନେ ଗାଁ ଆଡୁ ଆସି କ୍ଷେତ ମଝିରେ ବୁଢା ପାଖକୁ ଗଲେ। ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ନାୟକ ହିଡ଼ ଉପରେ ବସିଥିଲା, ଉତ୍ତର ଦିଗରୁ ଥିବା ହିଡ଼ ଉପରେ ଟାଙ୍ଗିଆରେ ହାଣିଲା ବେଳକୁ ମୁଁ ଥରେ ଦେଖିଛି। ବୁଢା ହିଡ଼ ଉପରୁ ତଳକୁ ଡିଆଁ ମାରି ଦୌଡ଼ି ଯିବା ବେଳକୁ ସେ ଲୋକଟି ତା ପଛେ ପଛେ କ୍ଷେତ ମଝିକୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସି 4-5 ଥର ହାଣିଛି, ତାପରେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା। ସେମାନେ ପଳାଇଲେ। ସେ ଯୋଉ କଳା ଲୋକ ତା ତଳେ ଥାର୍ଡ ଲାଇନ ତଳ ଆଡୁ ଷ୍ଟାର ଲାଇନ, କଳା ଲୋକଟି ବିଭୂତି ଭୂଷଣ ପ୍ରଧାନ। କଳା ଲୋକଟି ହାଣିଲା, ସେ କଳା ଲୋକଟି ହଉଛି ବିଭୂତି ଭୂଷଣ। ଅନ୍ୟ ଲୋକଟି ଏଇ ବଡମାଳ ଗାଁର ତାର ବଡ ଭାଇ ସରପଞ୍ଚ।
Counsel for the state, the land counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
24/5 24/5/2025.
24/5/2025.
Postmortem report reveals that 6 number of chapel.
He has been charge sheeted under section 103(1) oblique 3(5) oblique 238 and bracket small b of BNS. The land counsel submits that Tuna Kisan is an eyewitness to the occurrence, and he has stated that it was the co-accused Vibhuti Bhushan Pradhan who assaulted the deceased Prafullo Naik by means of Tangia, as a result of which the deceased succumbed to the injuries. The land counsel submits that the only role attributed against the petitioner is that he accompanied the main accused to the spot. It is further submitted that in view of the materials available on record and the fact attributed against the petitioner, the bail application may be favorably considered. Learning counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail. Is the statement of eyewitness Tuna Kisan,
Recorded under section 183 BNSS.
recorded under section 183 CRPC.
BNSS.
Yes, sorry, 183 BNS. Though and further submits that the postmortem report indicates that the deceased has sustained
6 number of chop wound.
6 chop wounds. On a reading of the aforesaid statement of the eyewitness under section 180 of the NSS, though it appears that both the accused persons, namely the petitioner and the co-accused, Vibhuti Bhushan Pradhan, assaulted the deceased, but the statement which has been recorded 180 BNSS indicates that it was the co-accused Vibhuti Bhushan Pradhan who assaulted the deceased. Considering the submission, nature of accusation against the petitioner, nature of overfact attributed against the petitioner, period of detention in judicial custody, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 28.
So the out-in-law of the deceased notes and the corresponding offences here, 193, 304B notes, 302, 34, and the section 4 of the DPR notes. Yes,
What's the case there?
Yes, my lord. Case date is there only 5 months after the marriage.
Hmm.
He
Who
was
is this
subject-
man? Husband?
Aunt-in-law, aunt-in-law.
Uncle-in-law.
Uncle-in-law of deceased.
Uncle-in-law?
Yes, my lord.
ମାନେ କଣ ହବ ମଳାସୁର ନା କଣ? ଦାଦା। ଏ deceased ର ନାଁ କଣ?
ମୌସୁମୀ ସାମଲ।
ମୌସୁମୀ ସାମଲ।
There was a love marriage
କାହା ସହିତ ହେଇଥିଲା?
with Vijay Kumar.
ବିଜୟ କୁମାର ସାମଲ।
କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
Before 5 months.
May 2025.
May 25.
Major.
Date କେବେ ହେଲା?
Major.
Date କେବେ ହେଲା?
Date block
21/25.
8/21/8/2025.
21/8/25.
Major.
What is the cause of death?
Asphyxia.
Asphyxia for what?
As a result of hanging. Antepartum hanging.
Yeah. She was bolted the
Result of-
inside the house, and the house was broken open, and she was rescued. And then she was taken to.
What is the specific overtax so far as this petitioner, uncle-in-law, is concerned?
All the family members were.
Omnibus nature.
Yes. Love marriage. After marriage, demanded 5 lakhs and 1 motorcycle.
Allegation of demand is against the husband-in-laws. The statement of loss, Ranjita Kara, who is the mother-in-law of the deceased, she is saying that it is the husband who was demanding rupees 5 lakh.
Ranjita Karam.
Ranjita Karam loss.
କିଏ ସେ?
Mother of the deceased loss. That means mother of the deceased loss, Ranjita Karam. Yes, Ranjita
You are
Karam.
having separate abode.
Yes, I have filed annexure 2 to show that loss. I was staying, I have been staying separately loss. On the date of occurrence, on here.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘର କୋଉଠି କି? ସେଇ ଏକା ଗାଁରେ ବୋଧେ?
ସେ ଗାଁରେ he was maintaining
ଅଲଗା ଘର।
separate abutment loss. Annexure 2 I have filed. Plus the maintain bound, there is the partition. On that day, I had been to there on getting information that she has committed suicide loss. I had been to there, and we and others took her to the medical loss. And no specific.
Now investigation is under progress.
Progress.
You are appearing for whom?
Informant.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର main allegation ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସ୍ୱାମୀ ନାଁରେ?
ସମସ୍ତ ନାଁରେ।
ସମସ୍ତ ନାଁରେ ପଢିଲେ ପରା statement। ରଞ୍ଜିତା କର କିଏ?
Ranjita Kara means mother of the deceased.
ମଦର ଅଫ ଦି ଡିସିଜ କହୁଛି ଯେ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ମାଗୁଥିଲା ସ୍ୱାମୀ ବୋଲି 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ବାହାଘର ପରେ।
ସମସ୍ତେ
ଆଉ ଇଏ ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ ରହୁଛି ଆଉ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଆସୁଥିବ।
ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ପାଞ୍ଚ ଘର। Most of the time
ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲଭ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ।
love marriage 5 months deceased is handicapped for
କିଏ?
deceased.
ହେଲା ଯେ ତ ଲଭ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ ହେଲା ଆଉ।
ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ torture କରୁଛନ୍ତି। And most of the time deceased used to remain in the hostel meals.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the informant, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that petitioner is the uncle-in-law of the deceased, Mousumi Samal. And he is in judicial custody since 23/8/2025. The marriage of the deceased with one Vijay Kumar Samal was a love marriage which was solemnized in May 2025. The deceased committed suicide on 21/8/2025 by hanging herself and bolting the door of a room from inside. The cause of death, as per the post-mortem report is a combined effect of asphyxia and venous congestion as a result of antemortem hanging. Land Council further submits that the petitioner is having separate abode and he has been implicated on the basis of omnibus nature of allegation. So far as demand of rupees 5 lakh is concerned, the statement of Ranjita Kaur, the mother of the deceased, indicates that it was the husband of the deceased who was demanding such amount. He further submits that the investigation has made substantial progress and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state, on the other hand, submitted that the statements of the witnesses, particularly from the paternal side of the deceased, indicate that the petitioner, along with the other in-laws, family members of the deceased, were subjecting the deceased to physical and mental torture in connection with demand of dowry. Land Council for an informant also opposed the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, nature of overtact alleged against the petitioner, surrounding circumstances under which the deceased committed suicide, post-mortem report finding, progress of investigation and period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall cooperate with investigation and shall not try tamper with the evidence, appear before the learned trial court on his date to which the case would be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and condition shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed.
Item 29.
Okay. Acha, there are conversion application.
Filed for conversion of bail application to CRLMA.
Thank कौन की सर?
Cancellation of bail.
अच्छा, cancellation of bail. IA number 948 of 2025. This is an application for conversion of BLAPL to CRLMA. As the prayer has been made to cancel the bail of opposite party number 2, Sushant Kumar Das, which was granted by the learned additional session judge, Jajpur Road, in bail application number 165 of 2025, by the order dated 4/8/2025. Hearing the Land Council for the parties, the prayer is allowed. The BLAPL shall be re-registered as CRLMA and be placed before the assigned bench. Yes. Okay.
Item 30.
Disclosure program.
30234.
No case stage made.
302.
30234. I have annexed
32B ଅଛି notice ଯିବ SC/ST ଅଛି ହେଲା extra copy ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
3 to be this is also
so I have annexed
CRL SC/ST.
अच्छा so you file appropriate application
hello
14
CRL ହବ କି କଣ ହବ ଦେଖିକି ଫାଇଲ କରିବ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ନୋଟିସ କରି ଦଉଛି ତ ଦେଖିବୁ yes next
21B.
51.
21
B, madam. 53 gram, 53 gram.
আমি পাটন করতে খালি
item 36 petition number 1 ନାଁରେ ନାହିଁ 3
ସେ
ଅଛି
ଆସୁଛି କାଗଜପତ୍ର ଠିକ ନାହିଁ ନୋଟିସ ହେଇନି ୟେସ୍ କେବେଠୁ କଷ୍ଟଡି ଅଛନ୍ତି
8th August.
23/8/2024 quantity of brown sugar seized is lesser than commercial quantity investigation has no substantial progress allowed next
We have three connected matters, two other connected.
କେବେ date of custody
8/8/2026.
All around same day.
Your Lordship, as per my concern, Your Lordships, as per my concern, Your Lordships, the current petitioner has, nothing has been seized from the petitioner, number 3.
that you put up after summer puja holidays for matter
Your Lordships, nothing has seized from me.
My young
bill
he could not follow.
the argument କରୁଛନ୍ତି
allow here.
ହେଲା next
Item 32.
3 items are there, my lord.
allowed
item 36 on behalf of commercial this case can be taken
ଆଗରୁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ୱିଥଡ୍ର ହେଇଛି
Well,
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା
120 kg ganja.
ହଁ ସେ appropriate bench କୁ ଯିବ next
Item 33.
4 kg 800 gram ganja.
ହଁ ସେ ଇଏ କଣ କରିବେ item number 33
4 kg 800 gram.
ଇଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି କେହି ପାସୁ
ये सब प्रहार रे धरा पड़ছে प्रहार ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ଚାଲିଛି ସେଇଥିରେ ଧରା
କଣ ସେଟା
ଏଇ ମାନେ ନିଶା କାରବାରକୁ ମା ସ୍କିମ୍
କଣ କିଛି ଅଛି ତା ନା ନା ପୁରୀ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ମାନେ ପୋଜିସନ ସିଜ୍ ହେଉଛି ଧରପଗଡ଼ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ପାସୁ next
Item 34.
34 minor
302 minor
is not there.
CTCA next
Item 35.
35 ମାନେ 81 kg of ganja. This is the third bill application.
ଏକୁଟି ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇକି ସେଠି ଆସିବ bench କରିବି next
Item 36.
5 kg ganja siege. 5 kg ganja?
ଆଗରୁ କୋଉଠି ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇନି ତ
ନା
ୱିଡ୍ରୋ ବି ହେଇନି ତ ଆଚ୍ଛା କେବେ ରହିଲାଣି
29th July 2023.
29 July 2025 lesser than commercial quantity allowed next
Item 37.
37 302 no case diary.
CTC next
Item 38.
Hearing this case, petitioner has been remanded on 1/2/2025 minutes. Offense number 739.
ଏଇଟା ଯାଇଛି ଅନ୍ୟ ବେଞ୍ଚ ରେ ଯାଇଛି ୱିଡ୍ରୋ ହେଇଛି ଯିବ
allow ହେଇଛି bail application.
ଏଇଟା ପୁରା ପିଟିସନ ନାଁ କଣ
Pudha alias Puru alias Purushottam Naik.
ହଁ କୋଟାର ଯାଇନି ଏଇଟା କାହାର ଯାଇଛି
Manoj Naik, my lord.
ନା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 8903 of 25
8903 to Manoj Naik.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 3116 ଟା କାହାର
That Manoj Naik.
ଦିଟା ମନୋଜ ନାଇଁ
Manoj Naik. In 8903, my lord, bail application of Manoj Naik
ତାହେଲେ
was
ପିଟିସନର କିଛି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇନି ଆଗରୁ
no way. It's the first bill.
କଣ ଇଏ ଅଫେନ୍ସ କଣ
392 and 34 of IPC.
The informant for the marriage of his daughter obtained a loan of 8 lakhs on the way the accused person have looted.
କଣ ହେଲା ତାପରେ
8 lakhs.
FIR was lodged against unknown persons, my lord. Thereafter that Manoj Naik was arrested. And the present petitioner was arrested in another case number, my lord, Chandipada case
What's the
number
criminal antecedent?
24
Because
right. During interrogation in that PS case number, PS case, my lord, the petitioner confessed before the police that.
Any recovery has
they
been
have-
made?
The case diary is not here, my lord.
Okay, case diary next. The case diary of criminal antecedent. Yes, next.
Item 39.
Custody Sincere Lordship 26/7/2025, Your Lordship. This petition is the employee of a GPNS company limited. The application date, Your Lordship.
11 criminal.
11. 11 criminal antecedent comprehensive abilities.
Item 40.
Item 40.
21B and this
15 gram, 240 milligram heroin.
You have to custody given.
13/8, ma'am.
13/8/25 lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Next.
Item 41.
May I please, Your Lordship? Under BNS Act, my lord, corresponding provision is 490 and 302 IPC. which is
Actually,
food
case
detail.
Yes, my lord.
My lord,
Homicidal death.
Your
8
Lordship,
number of injuries.
this is my lord.
No,
This is-
petitioner.
This petitioner is the husband of the deceased.
Charge sheet helani?
No, sir. That's it here.
Mother of the petitioner, I am placing the mother of the petitioner statement. Is Sukanti Nati. গত 16
The second wife.
সরি
First wife. First wife.
ସରି ହଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ୱାଇଫ୍। ଗତ 16/3/2025 ଦିନ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ମଦ ପିଇ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିବାରୁ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏତେ ସମୟ କୁଆଡେ ଥିଲ ଓ ମଦ କାହିଁକି ପିଇଛ ବୋଲି ପଚାରିବାରୁ ସେ ରାଗି ଯାଇ ମତେ ଲାତ ବିଧା ନିର୍ଧୁମ ମାଡ଼ ମାରିଥିଲେ। ଏହି ସମୟରେ ପ୍ରିୟା ଦି ଡିସିଷ୍ଟ ଆସି ସ୍ୱାମୀକୁ ଅଟକେବାରୁ ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଲାତ ବିଧା ମାଡ଼ କରିଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ପ୍ରିୟା ରାଗି ଯାଇ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ଛାଞ୍ଚୁଣୀରେ ସ୍ୱାମୀକୁ ବାଡ଼େଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ତା ହାତରୁ ଛାଞ୍ଚୁଣୀ ଛଡାଇ ନେଇ ତାକୁ ନିର୍ଧୁମ ପିଟିଥିଲା ଯେ ଛାଞ୍ଚୁଣୀ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ଶେଷରେ ପ୍ରିୟାର ବେକକୁ ଧରି କାନ୍ଥରେ ପ୍ରିୟାର ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ବାଡ଼ାଇ ଦେଲା ଯେ ପ୍ରିୟାର ବେହୋସ ହୋଇଗଲା। ଫାଦର ଅଫ ଦି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନର ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ପ୍ଲେସିଂ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଗତ 16/3/2025
Cause of death କଣ?
My lord, cause of death 8 number of injury I am placing.
ବାଡ଼େଇକି ମାରୁଛି।
Death is due to head injuries and their complications.
ଏଇ କେବେକାର କେସ୍ ଏଇ?
ତାରଟା ତ ହଉଛି 18/3/25 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସ।
ଛୁଟି ପୂର୍ବରୁ ପୂଜା ହଲିଡେଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। Yes, next.
Item 42.
My Lordship,
After puja holiday.
this case is out of case and counter case. The FIR lodged in 10th August 2025. The accusation all are bailable in nature. Subsequently, after 13 days, 23 August to 25, the police have forwarded me under section 109 and 117 clause 1. Basing upon the medical examination report, my lord kindly see page 16 of my application. This medical examination report clearly there is no seal and designation, no seal and sign of the medical officer. This is
Theta grievous injury.
my lord.
Fracture of ulnar bone,
No, my lord.
hematoma with abrasion on the lateral occipital region. Injuries are reported to be grievous in nature.
For this injury report, there is no.
Wait, how you assaulted the injured?
As per FIR allegation, ଗୋଟେ କାଠ ପାଳିଆରେ
କାଠ ଫଳିଆରେ
କାଠ ବଲା ଆଣି ମୋ ବାମ ହାତକୁ ପିଟିଥିଲା। ଏହାପରେ ମୁଁ ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଆ ପଡେ। My lord, case and counter case ଦେବି।
କେବେଠୁ ହେଲେଣି?
23 August 2025. More than one.
What about the health condition of the injured? Hospital ରେ ଅଛି ନା ବାହାରିଲାଣି?
ବାହାରେ my lord. They are both have a common village.
Or the learning counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. The learning counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 23/8/2021. It's a case and counter case. And the allegation against the petitioner is that he assaulted the injured by means of a
କାଠ
by means of a
Wooden
wooden street wood for them, street wood. And the injured has already been discharged from the hospital, and investigation has made substantial progress. And therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. When counsel for the state, on the other hand, produced the case diary, gave the statement of the injured and also the injury report to show that there was fracture of ulnar bone and hematoma with abrasion on the lateral occipital region of the injured. And the injuries were opined to be grievous in nature. Considering the submission made by the counsel for the respective parties. Nature of accusation against the petitioner. Since it's a case and counter case, taking into account the submission that the injured has been discharged from the hospital and also considering the progress of investigation and period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to conditions that he shall cooperate with investigation, shall not indulge in any criminal activities, appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case would be posted for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Allowed. Next.
Item 43.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, offense of the 20B to be and 13 kilo of ganja.
My lord, even if the ganja is lesser than commercial quantity, but the petitioner has a criminal antecedent of the similar nature, that is Dhama PS case number 11 of 2018 under section 20B, 2IB and 29 of NDPS Act section 37 is a bar in this case.
कौन तारा से case रा position कौन हो?
I don't have
The London Council for the state who has received the case diary submits that the petitioner has got another criminal antecedent under section NDPS Act.
That is Dhama PS case number 11 of 2018.
The London Council for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain instruction relating to the status of such case. Put up this matter after ensuing puja of the other. Stand से number 10 नहीं जानते. File a comprehensive affidavit. Yes.
Item 44.
For my perception, it's an application of 20B to B, 15 kg of ganja miller.
6/9/2020.
6/9/2025.
6/9/25.
No, sir.
Quantities
15 kg.
15 kg.
Yes.
Lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Give your name. Yeah, allowed.
Item 45.
Allegation on 664 to I. So notice. Yes, next.
Item 46.
May I please? Petition custody since 24/8/2025, my lord. Offense on 420 and 506.
On
allegation is that the present petitioner had taken 90,000 from the informant for
To provide the A&M job.
A&M job.
And the petitioner has 3 number of criminal antecedent.
You know, different nature, my lord. All leading on bail, family disturbance.
One at Calcutta also.
Actually, the
24/2025 magistrate tribal offense allowed. Next.
public.
Item 47.
May I please note? 20B 2B may not 6 kg of ganja was seized from victim. And custody since 2/9/2002.
2/9/25.
No, 6/9.
6/9.
My lord.
6/9/25. Lesser than commercial quantity, bar not applicable allowed. Next.
Item 48.
May I please? May not. 3 kg 710 gram of ganja.
Royal and good.
5/9.
5/9 lesser
On
than
behalf of
commercial
Mr. Rao.
quantity allowed. Next.
Item 49.
49 more, 10 kg of contraband ganja was
David
imported. Chari no.
Chari no, lesser than commercial quantity allowed. Next.
Item 50.
And even banalega, the depth of
silver ornament of 100 to 150 grams metal, which was recovered from the presentation. No criminal. In the meantime, all the poetic person released on bail. Year sessions trial?
No. 457, 380.
457, 380. They would custody 280, 2825 is in custody. Magistrate tribal offences, stolen property has been recovered. Similarly situated co-accused have been released on bail allowed.
One pastor is that.
33. You ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ନା
ନା କି ନନା ପିଏସ୍ କରିକିନା after ପୂଜା holidays କରିଦେବି।